So in this question, you're asked to find the angle between these two curves. X cube minus 3xy square plus 2 is equal to 0. 3x square y minus y cube minus 2 is equal to 0. So how do you find the angle between two curves? So usually we try to get the point of intersection, and then at the point of intersection we find the slopes of the curve and we'll find the angle between the curves. So first, as you can see, these are cubic functions and implicit functions. So to find the point of intersection is very difficult. To find the point of intersection, you need to get y is equal to something and you just need to substitute y in the second function. But because these are difficult functions, directly trying to substitute y in the place of y here is very difficult. So first what we do is let us find the differentiations. So you have 3x square minus 3 times x times 2y dy by dx plus y square is equal to 0. So this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So x square minus 2xy dy by dx minus y square is equal to 0. This implies dy by dx of first curve is equal to x square minus y square by 2xy. That is this dy by dx for the first curve. So let us go for dy by dx for the second curve. So you have 3 times x square dy by dx plus y times 2x minus 3y square dy by dx is equal to 0. So here also 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So dy by dx times x square minus y square plus 2xy is equal to 0. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2xy by x square minus y square. So this is dy by dx for the second curve. Now whatever may be the point of intersection, so let us assume that they intersect at x1, y1. So whatever may be the point of intersection, if you carefully observe the expressions for these differentiations, their product is equal to minus 1. So dy by dx of curve 1 into dy by dx for curve 2 is equal to minus 1. That means these two curves intersect at 90 degrees, or these two curves intersect at right angles. Thank you.